Using WhatsApp on an Apple Watch can enhance your messaging experience by allowing you to send and receive messages directly from your wrist. Now, while WhatsApp doesn't directly offer a dedicated app for the Apple Watch, there are still ways to access and interact with your messages. So first, ensure that your WhatsApp is installed on your paired iPhone. The Apple Watch acts as an extension of the phone, so messages will sync automatically. You're going to receive notifications for new WhatsApp messages on your watch. So when a message comes in, simply swipe down on the watch face to view the notification. To reply, tap on message and use, one second, to reply, tap on the message and use preset quick replies or dictation. The Apple Watch allows you to send text replies, emojis, and even voice messages, depending on your watch model. If you prefer, you can also use Siri to respond hands-free. So for more detailed interactions, such as reading longer messages or browsing through your chat history, you'll need to use your iPhone. However, Apple Watch serves as a convenient tool for staying connected without having to pull out your phone. So remember that WhatsApp is fully functional. Media sharing, this limit it's limited on the watch. Some stuff that you could do, but it still offers a practical and efficient way to stay in touch.